Hi guys, welcome to CH Components and welcome to my channel. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. Remember to subscribe and smash the notification bell. This is part 10 of the 4-axis CNC design series. Today we will be designing the removable 4th axis. First we need a base plate. This will be cut on a water jet machine. The mounting holes gets drilled open to 8mm. These holes must be countersunk so that the bolt heads doesn't protrude out the bottom of the plate. Next up we'll design the spindle mounting block. We'll start off with this aluminium block. First we add in a 40mm pilot bore. Now we add in the 47mm bearing bores. Both sides will use the same bearing and seal arrangement. Now we add in the 4 of 8mm threaded holes to mount the block to the base plate. We now need 2 6mm holes where we can mount the stepper motor mounting plate on. These two parts gets bolted together with 8x20 cap screws. The spindle shaft will be made from 35mm steel round bar. First we drill a 16mm clearance hole right through the round bar. Then we machine the outside detail. This section will have an M20 by 1 thread. These flats is for the location of the drive pulley. The spindle flange will be made from 85mm steel round bar. Diameter 30 by 10mm deep bore will be machined into this billet. The shaft will now be pressed into the flange and then welded right around here. Now the 16mm center hole needs to get machined through the flange, and the rest of the flange needs to be machined through to the spindle shaft. A location step needs to be machined into the flange to center the 3-jaw chuck. In this setup I'm going to use a 32005 taper roller bearing, as this bearing can handle loading in all directions. I'm going to make use of a lip seal to keep the dust and the shavings out of the bearings. A spacer and preload shim is needed between the 2 taper roller bearings to stop the assembly from locking up once the nut is tightened that keeps the assembly together. Spacer is needed between the bearing and the drive pulley. This will be made out of steel. Now I'm going to modify an off-the-shelf 42 teeth T2.5 timing belt pulley. We now need a clamp washer between the aluminium timing belt pulley and the nut. Here we use an M20 by 1 bearing lock nut. Now we mount this NEMA 23 stepper motor to this laser cut motor mount with 4 of M5 by 16 cap screws. On the stepper motor side we will use a 20 tooth T2.5 timing belt pulley. The stepper motor mount will mount to the main assembly with 2 M6 by 20 cap screws. Now we can fit the 80mm 3-jaw chuck with 3 of M6 by 20 cap screws. The belt we're going to use for this setup is a T2.5 by 10mm wide by 127 teeth. The fourth axis gets bolted down to the bed with 4 of M8 by 30 cap screws. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this project by making a small contribution on GoGetFunding or Patreon. The links is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe here, hit that notification bell and leave some comments below. See you next time.